My name is Hassan Nazar, and I'm the founder and the CEO of WA Construct. WA Construct is a custom home builder, and we've been in the business for the last more than 18 years. I want to provide world-class service to our customers so that they can see the quality, the value of their money spent, and most importantly, how they envision that their home should be. They can happily live their life with their families. So we're going to start with the design phase, and our architect and interior designer help our customer to design the house. They imagine, they dream about it, and once that design process is done, we're going to formulate with the cost factors. With the design and the construction, if you have the plans, we'll just start the construction on it, and if you don't have the plans, you just beginning the process, our architect and interior designer will help you out and get through everything. Our main goal is to have your idea to implant into the plans so that we can build the construction exactly, because that's what we're going for. We want to build what you prefer, what you like.